Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today we are going to do some quick comparison between React.js and Vue.js. So let's get started. These both are client-side JavaScript libraries which will be useful to make use of web applications. And one should always be careful in framework selection for any new project. And I'm just trying to make the selection process easy. There are so many JavaScript frameworks available nowadays, and two of them which I like most are React.js and Vue.js. So let's check each in short. So what is React.js? React is a front-end library developed by Facebook. It's not an MVC framework. It's used to build front-end in a simple and organized manner. We have boosted the JS world and it is now more popular compared to market leader AngularJS. So here are the positives of React.js. Main attraction of React is its components. We can create reusable UI components using React.js. Components will represent data that changes over time. Another advantage is it's 100% open source and gets lots of updates and improvements every day. Third one is React.js library can be used as an alternative with other popular libraries such as Angular, Backbone and jQuery. Fourth one is it uses virtual DOMs, so component rendering is really fast. Facebook stands behind this project is an advantageous point. React.js solutions are SEO friendly, which is another advantage. Here are the negatives of React.js. It requires more time to master, which means React.js requires deep knowledge of how to integrate user interface into MVC framework. It's not a full framework. There is no router nor model management libraries built into React.js, so we need to pick some other libraries to fulfill these needs. Now let's check what is Vue.js. Vue.js is also a JavaScript framework used to develop interactive web applications. It's simple and beginners can easily understand it. It's easy to integrate with other libraries or existing projects. Here are some advantages of Vue.js. Writing in Vue is more fun than React and the code is very readable. Vue.js has adopted many nice concepts from React and Angular. Vue.js is very easy to start. It doesn't enforce any compilers by default, so it's really easy to move in Vue to your legacy code base. It provides a rapid switching period from other frameworks to Vue.js because of the similarity with Angular and React in terms of design and architecture. Vue.js is lightweight. Here are the cons of Vue.js. Lack of resources. Vue.js still has a pretty small market share in comparison with React and Angular, which means that knowledge sharing in this framework is still in the beginning phase. Vue.js has a bit of Chinese background. A lot of elements and descriptions are still available in Chinese. This leads to a partial complexity on some stages of development. But more and more materials are being translated into English now, so it will not be an issue in future. The framework is still young and no stable community components available. Vue.js is a single guy project, but that is not exactly a real issue, but something to consider, though it is now backed by market giants like Alibaba and Laravel. Here is the list of companies that uses React.js. Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, New York Times, etc. And the list of the companies that uses Vue.js are as below: Xiaomi, Alibaba, Grammarly, GitLab, Laracast, etc. So let's check the summary. Some of the points we should consider are as below. React.js is recommended for use in the following situations: when you want to develop a large app, or when you want to develop both web and mobile apps, or when you want a great technical support, you should prefer React.js. Vue.js is recommended for use in the following situations: when you create web apps with templates, when you need something simple and efficient, or you need a small but quick app, then you prefer Vue.js. Again, the best way to choose the best tool for resolving particular issues is to test different options yourself. So try them both to make a choice. That's it. If you like this video, subscribe it, share it. Thanks for watching.